Okay, hello again. This is for my little experiment in more modifications. I'm basically practicing drilling on her before I move on to him, because, as I said in an earlier video, I already kind of fucked her up. So, by the way, something I didn't mention in that last video is when I put her back together after cleaning her, I did replace this little gold ring that she came with a proper S-hook. Well, kind of proper. These from the hardware store. I did close up the two ends of the S-hook, so it's kind of more inward like we're used to, which does help. So as you can see in there, I've got two knots. Those are just the two leg strings coming up, and then her arm string is still kind of in here. So that's all with that. But anyway, I'm just going to kind of leave her eyes in, leave her all together. I'm going to probably drill my first holes all the way up in dips and mess with a few different, jewelry ideas. I'm thinking of maybe running one of these chains like between her ears, maybe. I don't know, that'd be kind of cool, I think. Because I want to do this all kind of funky and awesome, just kind of make her look really super cool. Super high, not really high fantasy, like high urban fantasy, if you will. Something like a fantasy character from nowadays would fashion themselves after, instead of like all this super mundane stuff. I know he's super mundane, but for her, since she's already a kitty shapeshifter, she can be as funky as she likes. So, onward for, let's see how this goes. Well, so far so good. I have drilled a right and proper hole through her ear. See here. See, there's light shining through. So, that actually, my hand hurts a little bit, but that actually went pretty well. Just kind of going at it with that little drill guy right there. That's a nail drill I got from China off eBay. So, I guess on to the other ear. Well, now I have both ears done, and, well, that was actually moderately successful. There's some shavings of plastic on the table, but over here you can see that's a little bit of wire, and actually it's the same wire. Turns out, in this package with this ball chain, teeny tiny ball chain, was actually two pieces. There's the other piece right here. And they were twisted together with wire, and that wire ended up being the exact right size for little hoop earrings, I guess. And they're pretty tiny. See, there's the other one right there. And yeah, that was, like I said, that was moderately successful. Obviously I need better wire, because that's, this wire that I used right here is pretty crimpy and kind of crappy. There's some good contrast. There we go, that's better contrast. That's not obviously perfect round. I need to get some decent, probably jump rings for that. But I ran the little chain through it just for snicks, and, I think it could work. It's a good step one. Maybe I might find some kind of stud earrings around here that I've never worn that I could toss in her just for space filler, I guess, to test it out. But I do want to get her like an absurd amount of hoops running all the way down her ear on both sides, different colors. So I'll need a bunch of different colors of wire. Probably, I can sort something out. Maybe jewelry wire or floral wire might do the trick. Make some rings out of. But for now, that's so far so good. I think I'm done messing around for today. So until next time, learn from my fail and keep on keeping on. Bye bye.